Hi friends, Mrs. Hillary here with another story for you today. It's the last Elwyn Tate book I'm going to read, and it's called My Pterodon Has a Sneeze. My pterodon has a sneeze. Oh, what am I to do? He holds his nose, curls his toes, and yells out, Achoo! My pterodon has a sneeze. His snout is red and sticky. His wings won't flap. His beak won't snap. He's feeling rather icky. My pterodon has a sneeze. He huffs and puffs all day. I wonder if his problem will ever go away. He sneezes when we're on the train. He sneezes in my aeroplane. He even sneezes when he snores. Choo! And wakes up all the other dinosaurs. He needs a nice and warm jacuzzi, says my Stegosaurus Susie. He needs to spend some time in bed, says my woolly mammoth Fred. Oh dear me, what can it be that's making you so sneezy? We all agree it's plain to see you're feeling slightly queasy. There has to be a remedy to stop this sneeze of yours. But wait a sec. Perhaps I'll check my big book of dinosaurs. Read, 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 read. Aha! That's it! I've worked it out. I know why you've a poorly snout. It says here on page 21, pterodons like loss of sun. So pack your bags, my dino friend, and soon you will be on the mend. To cure this sneezy situation, we're going off on a vacation. 3, 2, 1, lift off! Zoom! Whoosh! Swoop and soar, flying on a dinosaur. Off to the sunny skies of blue, see you in a week or two. We've landed in a lovely spot. The sea is calm, the sun is hot. There are lots of things to see and do. We wish that you were with us too. My pterodon has no sneeze. He's much better than before. But the only problem now is my allosaur has lost his roar. Squeak! The end.